In this video, I'll show you how to download Minecraft for free on your Android device. Let's get started. First, locate and open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Once you're in the Play Store, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Minecraft and hit search. After the search results appear, you'll notice the full version of Minecraft is priced around $6.99. But don't worry, scroll down a bit and look for Minecraft Trial. Tap on Minecraft Trial. This version gives players access to a limited time trial of the game for free. Tap Install to begin downloading. Depending on your internet connection, the download should only take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, open the game. You can now enjoy Minecraft for free. Keep in mind, the trial version offers a taste of the full game,